Hello guys. So as I told you yesterday, sometimes instead of doing a video, I will try to go live and meet my subscribers or my students or anyone else who wants to just get something from what I say. Hello, Mohammed bin Naba. You are the first. Were you waiting for me? So, although I see in the watching, I see 0. So how come you are here and there is 0 watching? So that's strange. Oh, you are Sahran. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, hello, clown with Twitter account. How are you? As I told you, I'm just trying, instead of doing video, and although I give a message or something information, but for me, if it is like live where the people can interact and chat and interact, it will be better than that. Okay, so what we are going to do, I will be going to speak about a subject for today, why we lose trades, and so it's a very big subject, and it's so detailed that we need more time. But in general, I'm trying just to give it as short, and then we can speak in general. Okay, let's see here. So how are you, clown with Twitter account? How are you, Mohammed bin Naba? There are 2 others who are watching. They don't say hi, and they are always hiding, so there is no problem with that. Okay, there are more people. So today's what we are going to do, we are going to see why we lose trades. It means why we have these losers. A lot of people, even when they begin to trade, they have a lot of losers. Hello, Pasquale Calvosa. I am not a professor. I'm not. Okay, so a lot of people, they see losers, but they don't know why they have these losers. What's wrong? Now, in order to see why, there are a lot of things. Sometimes something that are natural, it happens in the market, so you have no hand in it. Okay, it just you buy at the wrong moment. Okay, so most of the time it's the market who change direction, for example, suddenly, and you think that the market will continue to go long, but it decide to change. Now the market is everybody who are trading or investing in that stock. A clown with Twitter account, he said, how to network with highly professional traders. I am sorry. So this idea of networking, it doesn't work. I will give you the answer, and you will see it in the future. Now, you ask, where do you network? Where have you seen this first? Have you seen online where people, professional trader, they can teach people for free like this, or they just give them hints, or it doesn't happen like this. Now, what you see is some people are not trading at all. They belong most of the time to brokers. This when they are active, because these are salaries people. Okay? Now, what do you mean by salaries people? It means the broker pay them to teach general things, that these general things you can't make money from it, because those teachers, they don't make money. Okay? So I think the live streaming is in red. I don't know if you are really watching or listening to me. So this question, as I told you, where do you hello Trump, and this idea of networking with professional traders, do you think that professional traders will just go to some place and they teach for free just like that? No, it should never be like this. And if you think they exist, let me know. What I know is you said, Trump said, yes, I agree with the clown. Any business need networking helps. No. Those, what do they get from you? Okay? If they teach you to make money for them, what do they get? Just they do it for charity? Have you ever seen a business doing charity things? Have you ever seen a broker sending you an email, I say, and you are getting $120,000 a year? Please come join us. Have you seen that? Never. What you see online is not networking. Is that most of the time are brokers who are teaching you strategies that don't work. And those teachers are salaries teacher. It means salarial or salaries teacher. It means they get a salary. That's it. They created also hello Christian Castellano, hello Wanda Casa, Wendy Casa. Wendy Casa, yes, I am live. Ooh, woohoo, I'm live. Now, see, I'm just sometimes when I want to, I don't want to do a video, so I want to hang with you guys, and then we try to interact. And this today, the subject is very nice because some people think. Who is this Mr. Bill who says, oh yeah, okay, no problem. Trump and clown think that in terms of money, of business, there is what we call charity. It doesn't exist charity in business. If you want to do charity, open a church, okay, and get all the money for free and then spend it on yourself. Okay? This is the charity that you see in churches. Now, when you go to the stock market, it is the most greediest place in the world. Okay? People who are professional, they are making money. How come they come to a place and they show you for free like this what they do and how do they make their money? This is stupid. If you think like that, you are with the public that you don't know nothing about what's going on. I will give you some. I will give you something about this. We have what we call a proprietary trading. This is a broker stuff. Okay? They bring some teachers. They have old strategies that no one has made money from. And they begin to teach. When there is crucial thing, they just, go over it, go to another point, another point, another point, but they don't explain nothing because they really they don't understand. They have those general ideas. They put in the chart, let's say, indicators, and the broker tells you, okay, I am going to give you money. If you don't have money, I will give you money to trade, just to try these strategies. So what you end up doing is having strategies that doesn't work. You find them in books, online, they are all over. And you begin risking your money and the broker's money. Normally, you begin to lose. Now, when you lose, you don't lose your money only, but you lose the broker's money, and broker's money, he should get it from your own money, plus interest rate that sometimes it is 6% or 8% or 10%. Okay? So, all the broker and the teachers are against you because you can't get nothing to see or to understand anything. Because themselves, they don't make their money from the market. They make their money from you. When you are a customer at a broker, there are two things that you should understand. You pay commission for him and you pay fees when he gives you the money. This is the most important thing they will do. Okay? So, this is just about the question of clown with Twitter account. I just try to explain to you what's going on, okay, in the real market. Now, if you want the fake market, you want to hang out with losers, you can go to your broker and he will teach you every day lessons. He will teach you whatever you want, futures, options, strategies, strategies from 1850. Okay, these strategies he will bring it to you and he will tell you, I will help you to succeed. Okay, so that is for Trump and for clown with Twitter account. Let's go and see other questions. Now, Trump said Russell makes a new high today. Energy industry sets 3 years high. Which industry? This energy industry. In the energy sector, we have a lot of industries, and 3 years high. Which one? Do you have the industry name or the industry ticker that I will show you right now? Okay, so I will get to show you the industry, since he is speaking about energy. Okay. Now, Trump said, how do you know industry rotation? Now, industry rotation, it's not what you know that the people talk about, which is called market cycle. No, it's not market cycle. No, industry rotation, I discover it by my own self when I am trading the whole year. Okay, the whole year from January to December for many years. That's why I discover things by myself. I didn't read this in a book, or because the books and other people, they don't, most of the time, they don't show you anything that it is that makes the money. Things that makes the money is always hidden. Even people who wrote books, they are bestsellers. But when it is something making money, they will hide it. They will give you something that it is general, but the thing that makes the money, they keep it for themselves. And this is the problem. Although you read a book, but most of the people read a book for entertainment. It's not for business, for entertainment. Oh, this is the bestseller this year. What is it about? It's a new indicator. Okay. And they do seminars, and the brokers, they advertise for this, and they say, come, we'll show you how this works, and you will make money. And the people, they try it, and they fail. Now the other year, there is another bestseller with another indicator, another idea, and this is how the market works. It works with hope. Okay? That's the thing. Now, this is Trump. When you say, how do you know the industry rotation? Industry, and there are sector rotations also. Bigger thing, sector, with a lot of industries. Now, I understand that when you say energy industry sets 3 years high, I don't know which industry you are talking about, because there are many industries in one sector. The sector is called energy sector. Now, in this sector, we have industries. I will give you right now the chart in Morning Star, and I will show you the sector, I will show you the industries, and I will show you some stocks. Okay, just give me some minutes, and then I can speak about Juan de Casa stock and the other stuff. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Okay, this is the chart. Let's go to energy sector. I just show you, at least you will have an idea, and don't ask anyone else after me. Okay? Yes. Please, Trump and the other guys, since I am going to explain energy sector, please look at this. Now here we have energy. Energy, what does it mean? It's the energy sector. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 industries. Now let's go to all the industries and see what is the 3-year. Okay. I have put this many weeks ago when I told you that the energy sector is doing good. This I told you 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. So when I put this, because I didn't put right now, this is where I put the trend. Now, this is called oil and gas refining and marketing. This is the industry which is doing so good. Oil and gas pipeline, no, there is no high here. This is maybe what you are talking about. Oil and gas refining and marketing. This is the industry that goes maybe 3 years high. So let's take the year. No, it's not 3-year high. It's maybe more. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th year high. Okay? So we have here this one, which was in 2014. Then it goes down. 15. It goes a little bit up. 16. 17, 18. So it's doing good for these 3 years. Yes, when we speak 3 years high, yes, this is the 3 years high, or 2 years high, or 4 years high, or 5 years high, or the highest in oil and gas refining market. This is the highest. You see? See here. See this one. The price here is $1,786.47. This is the new high in all the years. It's not only in 3 years, in all the years. Now let's go to the daily. Now let's see the other ones. Oil and gas pipeline is not that good. Oil and gas equipment and services, it's going up, but it's not a new high. Independent oil and gas, yes, it is. This one is yes. 2017. Yes, this year, yes. This year is good. Oil and gas drilling and exploration, yes, it's good. And major integrated oil and gas, it is good. And all these, I showed them a long time ago. Okay, I showed them a long time ago. So these are what we call the industries, and there are 1 or 2 or 3 that are good or excellent, and the others are not that good. Okay. Now, one decaster said TGA on Friday and today up 20%. Okay. This is going to be like a pump and dump scheme, so be careful. Okay, so here we have 1,900,000, and the other, it has been trending for a long time, but be careful. It might have like a pump and dump scheme stock. And you will never know what will happen. So try to be careful of this kind of stocks. This is a pump and dump scheme. You can make money one day or two, but maybe the next day or the other day you lose it all, or you lose your money. So be careful of this kind of stocks, and because they are very, very volatile, and you are dealing with penny stocks. So understand that. Okay. Sammy Caprio said, "Is that the president watching live? Trump, you made it big time. You are a winner like Trump." No, it is just his name. His name is Trump. He is not the president of the United States. He's watching live here. Okay, he doesn't need that. He has a lot of money. He doesn't need stock market. He has a lot of money elsewhere. Now, so Trump said sneaky institutions. Yes. It is your nickname only. But you say Trump D. It means you're like Donald Trump. Okay? And stock because you love stock. Is that, what's your name? Donald? Because we have D as a second name? Okay. Since we are speaking about sneaky institutions, understand that the people are free to do with their money what they like. Either, oh, your name is Barack, it means you are Barack Obama, and Donald Trump, it means you have two of the names of presidents. Don't tell me that you are Bush also, or Clinton, or who is else? Oh, Jimmy Carter. You don't tell me that you have a lot of names, 6 or 7, 8 presidents. Okay? I'm just joking. Okay, so let's go to the serious thing. Lewinsky. Oh, Lewinsky. Lewinsky, that famous, I think, Irish actor or something. Yes, it's very good. It's very good. It means a lot of names. Barack Obama, Donald Trump, and Jimmy Carter and Nixon and a lot of names, but it's very good to have names of presidents. Okay, so let's go serious. So sneaky institutions understand that in the market you are free. No one obliges you to do whatever you want to do. So you are free to do whatever you want. Now, if let's say a big mutual fund has a stock for 2 years, he has made a lot of money from this stock. Now it is time to replace it because it is now too big. Let's say the stock was $50. Now it is $250. It's too much. So he wants to choose another stock that it is 50 or 70 or 30 or 100 in order that in the future he can make money and in 1 year or 2 or 3. So all the people in the market are free. So this change into industries and sectors is something natural in the market because people, they change their mind. For example, you buy a stock and it didn't work. You stay 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and this stock is a loser. Okay? So you decide to sell it and to buy another one. Okay? So that's the thing. Now let's go to our subject of today. Why we lose trades? It means we lose some trades. There are many reasons for that. Okay? Now there are some reasons that you really did not do a mistake. It's natural in the market, it happens, but sometimes it is your mistake. Okay? Because your mistake of selecting stocks, maybe you are always selecting bad stocks. Oh, okay, in Tesla. Tesla, I told you it is very troubled. I will go to it right now. I have already I think explained this for Tesla. So Tesla is very troubled. You can see it was very volatile even before the crash or the correction of the market in February. Okay, this is February when we have the market, but understand that the market has been going down the support line. It means that this stock might have a problem. So today it goes $7.67. $7.67. It means 2.77. You see this is small. Understand this small candlestick. See this candlestick. See here. It is so small, but it moves $7.67. Now you look at this one. 252, 286. Man, it's $34 in 1 day. $34. It means if you are trading this stock, either you can make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money. Okay, so if you are here 385, now it is 284, you are losing 33% of your money. Okay, so understand this is a big stock and it is a big volatile stock. For me, I don't trade these stocks that are so volatile. Okay, now I can trade it here when it is so good, but when it is here having no trend at all, this is the real problem. Okay, when it is troubled like this. So be careful when you are trading this kind of stocks. clown with Twitter account said, is short sellers covering back. Now where? Which stock? Because it depends which stock are you in or which industry to see when the short sellers are covering. Short sellers can cover in the same day. They short, it's very good day, and then at the end of the day, they cover back. Okay, so I will clown with Twitter account. I will explain to you short selling in both things. Now see, if you take the example of GE that we see last time or yesterday, GE, which is a stock, it was 33 last year, and now it goes down. Now it is, let's say, 14. So it's more than 50%. Now when the stock is going down like this, okay, like this, some people short sell as swing traders or position traders. Now what does it mean? It means they sell short here because most of the time there are some people who know some problems of the company, no problems in this company. Now I will show you right now, I will show you how this stock GE, it is in the Dow Jones. It is the only one that suffers from short sellers. But understand that it is not only short sellers who do this. It is a sell-off by institutions. Institutions. It means people who hold millions of shares of this stock, which is a very, very old stock, one of the oldest. It means there is a sell-off. It means people are selling because it was 33, now it is 14. Okay? And there are some people, short sellers, who short just in the day. They short and cover. They short and cover. It means they sell short and they cover back at the end of the day if the stock is going down. But those who are going for a long time, they will when they finish whatever length they stay, it means some they stay 1 month, some 6 months, some 2 years, depending on the stock. If it's still going down, some people will cover back, and you will see a small trend here. Small trend. Now, what does it mean, this small trend? It means they are buying back, buying the shares that they sell. So here, buying shares that they sell here at the beginning, because these shares are not theirs. They don't own these shares. They just sell them. Now, who gives them the shares? It is the broker who gives them these shares. Now, from where the broker got these shares? From investors who stay many years in this thing. But they don't tell them. Because the investors, when their shares are sold, the broker will never tell them. Okay? They will never tell them. And so they have no benefit, and the broker is taking the whole benefit. Because the broker, he will get interest rate. And the shares, they just, when the traders, they buy back the shares, they give it to the broker, and the broker give it to the investors. So the broker will get interest rate from his from the money That's how the thing is working. Now, there are some day traders, they do it in the day. Okay? They do it in the day. Let's say, I'll give you an example. Let's say a candlestick is like this today. Tomorrow, it opens here, it goes up a little bit, and then it goes down, and then it stops and goes down. Now, so this is the action. They sell at whatever price, short. When it reaches the bottom, it means they just want to sell because maybe it is 3:30 or something or whatever time. They make money, so, and they buy back, or we call it cover back, which is just a synonym. We say cover back or buy back. It's the same. Now, those are day traders. Now, these day traders, okay, when they sell short, they don't own the shares. They don't own them. When they buy back, they give it back to their broker. That's how the thing is. Now, let's go to the chart, and I show you GE how the thing is bad. You see that? You see the stock from here. The people, they begin to short it. It's going down, 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 then up, then go down, down, and down, and down, and down, until it becomes 15, and it was 33. So you see how things go bad to this company, General Electric. Although this company, maybe it is making money, but just hedge funds or short sellers and some mutual fund, they sell shares of this GE, so it's going down. Can it go up again? No one knows. No one knows. See, it seems it's going up, but you will never know. If it continues to go up a little bit, if it continues to go down and hit this, let's say here, 1279, 1273, yes, 1273 is the lowest here. If the stock continues to go down and hits this and continue, it might be continuing going down. So this is just how things work. Sammy Caprio, how in that hell do you buy shares that are $345 and up? You know, in the market, there are a lot of people who have a lot of money. Like, for example, I'm not speaking about mutual fund. I'm speaking about hedge funds, like traders, like someone who has a hedge fund. He has the money of a lot of people who are rich and wealthy, so he has billions of dollars. Do you think that someone who has billions, they can't buy a stock that it is $200 or $500 or $1,000? He can, because he has a lot of money. It's not because you see someone who has $1,000 and you think it's too much money. So the market, everything, even Berkshire Hathaway. Let's go to it in order to explain to you this thing. Okay, let's go to Berkshire Hathaway. It is $296,620. Now, you find, for example, here 200 shares. So 200 shares is just, it is just 200 shares. It's not that big deal. But 200 shares bought, it makes the stock goes $2,240. Okay? So this is only 200 shares bought. But here you can see they shorted from 324 to 314. It means $10,000 in only 600 shares. So even the big stocks like this one have some people who trade them. They go up or go down. So if this is going up, it means there is buyers. If there is selling, it means some people are selling and other people are selling short. You can understand this here. From here, there is a trend. Although this stock is so big. So there is trend up and trend down, and it's all a mess. Okay, so this is just to answer the question why the stock is too expensive and people, they can buy it. It's just because they have money. Okay, they have money. Now, another question. Short sellers are so heavy. No, it's not they are so heavy. Short sellers are just day traders waiting for bad news in a company, and they see that it's going down and they just short it. It doesn't mean that always they make money. Sometimes they lose money. But it is a trade. They take opportunities of the day. If the day they know it's a bad day, all is in red, they just go to bigger stocks and they short them. People, they have millions of dollars and they are just waiting for these days that are bad in the market to make money. So you see that? Trump said, before he said, Trump, let me drink some coffee first, because my coffee will become cold in 2 hours or 3 hours. So, Trump said, I saw in Yahoo Finance, short sellers don't cover in same day. They wait for Tesla to go lower to make more because of the bad news didn't stop. No, see, there are day traders and there are swing traders. Swing traders, they hold over the night. Understand that. Day traders, most of them, they don't. Because sometimes when they hold for tomorrow and there are some change, or a big guy comes to buy, or a mutual fund is buying the next after the market close or before the market opens, it will be what we call short squeeze. I will give you an example, Trump, to understand this. Okay, now let's go to short squeeze. I have explained this idea, but now short squeeze is, okay, let's say today is a bad day. Okay, the stock was 35 today. It goes to 27. Now there are some, like here and here, some day traders who are short sellers, okay, what they do is they short and they make money here. So since they are day traders, most of them, they close their position. Close. Here at the end, at 4 p.m., they stop. They buy back. They are out of the market. Now, let's say you are not a day trader. You are a swing trader. Swing trader, and you are short seller, okay? Now, it's true that you sell short at 35, but you want to wait for the next day and to continue. Okay? Let's say after 4 p.m., there is one guy and he buys heavily this stock. He could be a hedge fund, he could be a mutual fund, it could be an institution, it could be a bank, it could be anyone. And in the morning, it opens like this. It opens, let's say, at 40, and it go to 45. Just an example, okay? Now, what will happen to those swing traders who didn't close their position? From 27, they have been making money, but today it opens at 40. So they will be losing $13 for each share instead of making here $8 that day. They don't like this $8. The next day, let's say the stock is going up and they will be losing $13 a share, because if they buy at 40. Now, if the stock goes up and they can't, this is called short squeeze. Now, what does it mean, short squeeze? It means they get squeezed from this bottom, which is $27, to 40. So they are obliged to buy back at 40. And there is no guarantee. When you say a news, and we wait because of the news, there is no guarantee. And understand that when you short sell, the loss is unlimited. If the stock goes so high, the more it goes high, the more you lose. So there is no limit. Unlimited loss. That's why short sellers is for advanced traders only. It's not for beginners. If you begin to short sell, don't try to buy too much, because if something problem happens, you will be in debt. That's why I always insist on the advanced level for day traders to do this. Advanced level. It means it's not for beginners. Okay? So, Clown with Twitter account says, Karim, do you trust Yahoo Finance? They show some of the stocks that are trending. Now, see, for me, I know what is trending, and I know how to spot these stocks, and I know if they are trending, yes or no. So I don't use Yahoo or Google or a machine to show me things. Okay? So these things that they show you, they put some criteria and it gives you what they think. But Yahoo is not doing business in stock market. Okay? Yahoo, it is not. So it's not Yahoo, it's not a broker to do business in stock market, or to buy or to sell or to have customers. So it is just some data that they have according to some criteria. Now, for me, I don't use what other people use. The trend is known. Whoever see the trend, you will see that there is a trend. But the problem is that we are not going to buy when we see the trend, because it is over. When everybody see the trend, it will collapse, because it is the dead end of the trend. We should buy it before it was seen, and this is the most difficult thing. That's why the people, they don't see it. They don't see it when it is young, and when the trend is young, most of the people, they don't see it. So there is another question. So clown with Twitter account understand that I have my own strategy with my own criteria. I don't follow and I don't use Google or Yahoo. What I use is a stock screener. This stock screener, it gives me a general list. It means it doesn't give me what I should buy. What I should buy, I should put my criteria and see the chart, because I am a chartist. If I see a chart and it meets my criteria and it's good, I buy. If it is not, I will not buy. I don't follow websites or analysts or what they say about the company. No, I will not do that. Now, let's go to another question. Sammy Caprio, is it easy to place shorts with your count, which is cash? No. No. Understand. In order to sell short, you should use margin account, because you borrow shares from the broker. With a cash account, you can't borrow. So if you want to just to try how this thing work, it's very easy. Okay, I will just show you an example. It's very easy. Let's say I just give you an example. Okay. So let's say yesterday it was a good day. The stock was 20, it goes to $23. But today it opens here, open. Let's say it opens at 19. And you see that from yesterday to today, the stock has gone so badly down. So if you go to your broker, you will find buy as a general standard thing. You find buy. Let's say this stock is XYZ, and here 100 shares, because it is 100 shares, it is just the standard. You can put one stock, one share, or 2, or 10, or 200, or 1,000, whatever you want. Now, in order to sell short, because if you click buy, it means you are buying long. This is buy. What you should do, there is a menu here. You click on that menu and you find the other word, which is sell. Now, sell, what does it mean? And when we say sell, it means that you don't own this stock in your portfolio, in your account. There is none. Your account, let's say your account is $10,000 and you just begin trading and you want to do selling short. Now, when you say sell, here is the bid, for example, $20.03. So you begin with this one, sell. And you sell $20, 100 shares, Now, if the stock is going down, let's say, yes, let's say here we say 19. So sorry, I will just put the same thing. Okay, so 19, let's say this is 1903. So you sell 19 and it's going down, let's say to 18, and then here when you have the stock, this will change because you sell, it will change to buy, or some brokers it say buy back, or it says cover back. It's all the names, but you should see your broker what is the name when you want to, because you don't have anything else, you have only one stock. So if you buy back, you close your trade and you will get $100 profit in your pocket for today. Plus or minus, let's say $5 sell, $5 buy, $10. So you will have $90 profit in this day. Okay? So this is how it works. So it is so simple in terms of technical thing. It's very easy. You just click sell and then buy back. That's it. If you are going long, you should say buy and then the opposite is sell. That is how, for example, a short sale works. It's very simple. It's not difficult. The only thing that it is difficult is risk and techniques that you should use in order to make sure that the stock is going down, not going up. If it goes up, you will lose money. Okay, so that's in general what is it selling short. And understand, as I tell you, Sami Caprio, that with a cash account you can't do that. If you want to do it, you should go to your broker and ask him to change the account name, to change it from cash to margin. Let's say you have $5,000 as cash, you will see $10,000 in your account because he will double your money. And he will lend you $5,000 to use it, okay, as a margin account. Trump said, why there is so much hate toward companies that take from the federal government? Even Elon Musk is in conflict with Trump. Why these people want bankrupt something that will transform the world or revolution? Now, please, Trump, when you are giving me an example, give me what is this, because I have no idea what you are talking about. What is this company that take money from federal government and it is doing good for us? What is it? Can you give me an example if you have it? Okay, and why the people, they hate these companies? So try to give me an example. At least I see okay, so give me an example. At least I will know what you want to say. Okay, because the people, no, who cares? Who cares about the companies if they succeed or they don't succeed? If you are getting something from these companies, yes. But if you are not getting nothing, well, what you should do, you hate or you love, it doesn't change your situation. Now, another thing said, clown with Twitter account, GE is a high float company, moving so slow. Why it is moving so slow? In 1 year, it lost 50%. Hey, it's going so quick. It lost 50% of its money. Let's say the company, go check the capitalization of GE. Let's see. Let's go and see this GE. How much? What is the capitalization? I don't know if they put the market capitalization is 133 billion. Do you understand how much this company lost from last year? It lost $133 billion. Do you understand that? Last year it was $266 billion. Today it is $133 billion. And you told me the stock is not going so fast? No, it is going so fast. 50% in 1 year, it is too much for a company. This is comparable to the crisis of 2008, where almost all the stocks have lost 50% of their money. So you understand? So it's not that easy for this company. It's losing a lot of money. But they say here the company has made $122 billion. But understand, in terms of stock, it lost half of its money. Okay? Because this is how a company market capitalization is done. It is the price of the stock multiplied by the outstanding common shares that the company has. So it is a big deal. And Dow Jones, they might take this company from the Dow Jones in the future. If it is losing a lot of money from the stock and they don't accept that, they can kick it out and bring another company. And it will not be one of the 30 biggest stocks in America. So you understand there are a lot of games going here. So let's go and check the other questions. Trump said, why the media sometimes attack big profitable tech like Facebook, Amazon? Apple, companies, left and right. Is the media illogical or are the screwed people? You know, a lot of things, because see, when these companies, they become bigger and bigger, they begin to control everything. Let's say Facebook, with the problem they get 1 month or 2 months ago. If Facebook can manipulate people to vote for Trump or to vote for Clinton, this is a big deal. That's why they attack these big companies, because they have the monopoly. Understand that now with Facebook, everything you do in Facebook, it is saved, and they know everything about you, whatever you do, when you talk, when you write, when you think, where you go, everything. They know where you are. They know whatever you do online. So this is dangerous. And that's why they can control you. They can send you ads to the thing that you like. For example, you like traveling. They always include things for traveling into some places that you like. And then if you do business, and you like them, they do big business. It means they succeed to influence you. Okay? For example, Apple. They have the smartphone. It means it is a monopoly in the world. They control everything. Whenever you use a smartphone, you are one of the guys that are that everything you do is saved. If something happened, they will find a proof against you. Whatever you say, whatever you go, whatever you do. That's why it is so dangerous. That's why the media is the fourth power in USA. It means it is free to give its opinion on anything. If there is something wrong, they will speak about it. And that's why America is good. Because if you leave someone who is very, very powerful, he can have the monopoly of everything. And nothing will move without his permission. Okay? Understand, for example, elections. If they influence elections, they can influence everything. And they can get a lot of money from these people who are rich. So that's why these companies are a lot, they look at a lot and they speak a lot about them. Not the Joes, but the others. Hello, James Armstrong. How are you? Sorry, I didn't see you before. Hello, Minyapan Muni. Good morning, sir. How are you? Thank you very much for coming. And James Armstrong. Thank you, Sammy Caprio. James Armstrong. All the people are speaking about Tesla. What is the problem with this company? All the people. Trump is speaking about Tesla. You is speaking about Tesla. What's the problem with this Tesla? Okay, I have spoken about it, but for you, guy, James Armstrong, I will show you the chart and I will tell you my opinion. Okay, see, Tesla is having a lot of problems with the trend. There is no a normal trend. It's always going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. Okay? And its movement is a lot of money when it moves. So this stock is very, very volatile. Now, before the crash, see here, I will just show you. Try to see this. This is the beginning of correction in the stock market. Now, I will show you this. And I will show you Dow Jones and tell me which is the best chart. This or Dow Jones. Let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones 30. Check this. Here is the 1st of February. Okay? See here. See that? Can you compare Dow Jones Industrial Average? It means the stocks in the Dow Jones, the 30 stocks. Can you compare this good, excellent trend with Tesla? No. But why you are always with Tesla? You are always because you watch too much TV. Now Tesla right now, this is where the stock stops in Dow Jones. It crosses down, it goes up, and now down. Okay? So it is too bad. But I will tell you frankly, why you are Trump. Yes, we are talking about Tesla, yes. TSLA, yes. James Armstrong and Trump. Now, I will ask you why you are interested in this big stock. Why? It's just because I know you are watching and you are reading too much about these companies. The media or the analysts influence you with some details of the company. And either they make it a good stock or they make it a bad stock, you get influenced by this. Okay? Now, about GE, it's bad management. So mutual funds are selling. Either it's bad management or earnings, but it says $122 billion they got last year. So how it is bad management? A company that made $122 billion, one of the best companies in America. How you said it's bad management? Okay, so there are a lot of things, you know. It's more than that. Now, Trump said, why company like Facebook, which makes $5 billion in a quarter, try to select president for the nation? No, it is not to select the president. It is get paid to influence people to vote for Trump or for Clinton. People, they pay money. They pay hundreds of millions or billions of dollars to make a president of their choice, Democratic or Republican, because the views of the president will make good to some companies. Okay? For example, Obama was against energy stocks, so the stocks go down. But Trump is with the oil and gas exploration, so the energy goes up. So you see, it's a lot of money involved. That's why money and power and politics, they go together. They help each other. A politician has no money, but he can have money when he helps the rich do whatever they want. They give them help, they give them whatever. So understand that always there is money inside politics. Politics, it's not a person who will help you. He will help himself and the rich first, because they vote for him and they give him money. Okay? So understand that there is a lot of stuff. So it's not very easy. Yes, yes, Sammy Caprio, they watch too much TV. I'm not saying CNN or CNBC or Bloomberg. They watch TV too much, so they are into entertainment. So the bigger guys, they entertain them by speaking, for example, about Tesla. It has a product and it will do this. It will become like this. And okay, and the people, they believe. They believe. The people, they believe. That's why they get interested in a stock that no one is interested in. But they don't have money, and they get interested in a stock that it is $200 or $300. So why you are interested in bigger stocks where you don't have money to buy them? Okay? So we should be always logical. We shouldn't put in our head information that we don't need. And almost is entertainment. If in the news they say, oh, today stock has a good gap up. Okay. Was I inside this stock? It means I bought this stock yesterday to get a gap up today? No. So why they give me this information? Does it help me? No. Does it help other traders? No. It is just for entertainment. And you, when you are when you are going to do entertainment, you are just wasting your time. It's better you watch a cartoon, or you do a game, or you watch a new movie. It's better than to go and watch what is the stock that goes up, what is the stock that goes down. The whole day they are speaking about this. Now for you, you can't get money from all this information they give you, because it is old news. Old news. Okay? Clown with a Twitter account said Tesla is going to bankruptcy. No, I don't think that. No, I don't think that. A company that it is making money doesn't go bankrupt. Even if the stock goes down. Look, for example, Bank of America. Bank of America was $3 a few years ago. Now it is around $30. Okay? So it is 10 times when it was 3 or 4 years ago. So it is making a lot of money right now. So it's not bankrupt. Okay? So, and someone said, Trump said, analysts spam the stock from nothing. Yes, you know, this is business. A lot of people, they talk and they advise people to buy this or that. It's not, the stock market is not a charity place. Whenever you see, whenever you hear, it has something at the back that you don't see. Okay? That's why those people are making a lot of money when they work in TV, CNN, CNBC. They were very famous, and they are making a lot of money because of what they say. Because they understand that a lot of people are following them and watching. Because they know if you are watching, yes or no. They have the numbers. They know which state, which city, which zip code, and where you are when you watch. Because all this information comes to them. That's why they target people with some stuff of information. Clown with a Twitter account say, why a lot of professional traders only rely on patterns only? They don't care about news or analysis. You see, I will tell you the truth. The price doesn't lie. If I tell you, for example, right now, the price of Facebook and the chart or in the broker, it is 100, let's say $83. Just an example. This is the price for now. You can understand now the price. You can see the past price, but the future no one knows. So if someone tells you that the stock from 100 it goes to 200, this is just prediction. He doesn't know. He just say a prediction. Because he doesn't know who will buy and who don't buy. But in the chart, like me, a chartist, when I see the chart, I get my own opinion. I don't need other people or the company executives or CNN, CNBC, or whatever to tell me what I should buy or what should I sell. But if you get trapped into those people, analysts, and what the media said, believe me, you will lose your shirt. Because most of the time, they are speaking about the past. They have no relation with the future. Okay? So, it is your own money. So, put your money with your own decision when you understand what you are doing. At least if you make your money, you say, I made money. If you lose, you say, I lose. It's better to rely on someone else that asks you to buy this or that. So this is why almost all the people who are traders, they respect the price better. Okay? Even sometimes, I'm telling you, we have seen this before, even when there is an earnings news, we have good news and sometimes the price goes down. So you can't rely on anything except when you see the price. When you see the price moving up or down, you have a feeling, you have an idea where this price can go. Okay? But ideas, people speaking, statements, views, opinions, this doesn't count. Because you should formulate your own opinion when you want to trade or when you want to invest in a company. You should have your own opinion and rely on yourself. That's why you tell me they are relying on patterns. For me, it's not patterns. It is price action or price movement. It's not really patterns that I am following. And each trader has his own stuff that he uses. If he can make money, that's the good thing. Whatever you make. Okay? So let's go back to our subject, which is why we lose trades. There are a lot of things why we lose trades. Sometimes it is natural from the market. You buy a stock and then the stock goes down. It means that the stock doesn't trend. It means it doesn't go up. And you are mistaken. So you can't do nothing. But sometimes there are other mistakes that it is your mistake. You put stop loss and you put it too tight. And then after one day you exit. But the stock is still going up. So it is your mistake. So you should fix that. Sometimes you don't know when to buy. This is another problem. You should fix that. And stocks, sometimes they are going up, sometimes they are going down. So you should need each time the stock is moving towards something, you should have a strategy for that. There is not only one strategy. There are many strategies depending on where the stock situation is. Okay? And there are some mistakes where you are in a good trade and you exit early. And then after a few weeks, you see the stock is going up and it has gone so good, but you missed that. It is your problem. So a lot of things is your problem. So the more you fix your problems, the better you will be as a trader. But if you continue to do the same mistakes, you will have the same results. But don't complain. Don't say why I am getting bad results. It's because of you. Because the market, you go to some stocks, you find them having a good trend. Why you don't buy those stocks? Because you don't discover them. Because the way you search is bad. Okay? So there are a lot of things that makes your trades a loser, and you need to fix all these problems in order to become a good trader. A good trader doesn't come in one day or 1 month or 2 or 3. You need to work on this 1 year or 2 years or 3 years until you fix all your problems. The money comes by itself. The money comes by itself because you will know where to buy. Even if you do mistake, you correct it very quickly. And I showed you in one of my videos, when you have all the losers, you put them in the portfolio, and if one stock of them goes up again and it's good, you buy it again. Because you have done a mistake, for example, in stop loss. Okay? There are other people, in general, they watch too much TV, and and they get influenced. Like Tesla, a stock is too big. And you guys, why you are going to a big stock? It's so volatile. It goes $7 a day, $8, $10 a day. Why should I go to a stock like this? And it is too expensive. Okay? It is just because when you watch too much TV, you have entertainment in your mind. You become always addicted to the news. What they say about Tesla today? Oh, they say it goes $7. Oh, it's good. The next day, it goes down $15. Oh, it's good. And the people, they try to link this with, they link this, what's going on, with reasons. There is no reason. In each second, the stock is moving up or down. What is the reason? Can you tell that? So, there is no reason at all. So, if you follow the reasons, you will never understand the trading. Trading doesn't work with reasons. It works with price action. Is the stock going up or going down? That's where you make your money. You don't make your money off the news, or what the executives say about the company, or about the products, or what is the future of this company, or how it was good last year. Now, all this, you will never get anything from that. Okay? So, losing, and sometimes understand that losing trades is something normal, because there is no one on earth he can make 100% winners. Okay? Always we have winners and we have losers. This is the nature of the market. Nature of the market. It is a market where it is so volatile. Things change from now to tomorrow. Things can change so badly. It's not like the other markets where, I'm giving you an example. Please, for those who understand very well my example, they will understand me very well. So I will give you just an example with car dealers. Just an example to make it sure. Okay? So let's give you an example. Now, let's say you live in a city here. This is a city in USA. Here, there are millions of cars to be sold. Millions of cars. Now, when we have millions of cars, we have a lot of auctions. Okay, just an example. Okay, you will find that the price will go down. Okay, now another guy in another city who is another city, he has only, in this city there are only thousands of cars sold. It means there is a demand. Now, when there is a demand, here the prices of this car goes up. So here it is expensive. It's the same car, okay? And here it is cheap. What this car dealer do? Okay, what does this car dealer do? He goes to this city here and he buys cheap. He goes back and he sells them expensive. Now, this is a normal business of car dealers. But in the stock, a stock is in the internet, in the exchange. If Facebook, if you go here and the internet in this city, Facebook, for example, is $183 today. You go to another city today and you get the internet or your smartphone, you find it's $183. So a stock market is not the same. You will never know when the stock is going down or we're going up. So you can't do like a car dealer. That's why all the businesses are easy to make profit from them. Whereas in the stock market, it is difficult because things change a lot. Things change a lot up and down. Another example, I continue with this car dealer. When he buys it cheap and he took it to another city here, which is expensive, he will get an expensive price and he will sell and he will make a profit. Okay? This is because the prices here are expensive, prices here are cheap. In stock market, it is not. In the stock market, you find one price. You don't find here 183 and you sell it here for 250 like Facebook, because the people, they don't know, because the people here, they go online and they see. But you tell me, for example, why the people, they don't go here? It's just because the auctions, you should have a business to enter to these auctions. It's not, most of the time, it's not for normal people. In normal people, you find bad cars. You should be a car dealer in order to enter to these good auctions to find good, cheap cars. This is just an example. I just tell you to explain this idea. So please, right now we are 1 hour 32 minutes. Now understand that these days it's just when I want to make a video, I find it's very good idea to make it as a live session. It's better than to have it as a video without interaction. Okay? So please, if you have more questions, you can send me an email or you can comment on this video. And I don't know if tomorrow I will be live or not. So whatever happens, if you find a video for tomorrow, it means that I will not do a live. If there is no video until 11 or 12 p.m. at night, it means that I might do a live video. Okay? So please, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for all your questions. And as always, Trump, Sammy Caprio, Clown with the Twitter account, and the other people, thank you very much for always asking questions and trying to understand. And don't watch too much TV. That's my advice and my suggestion. And thank you very much. Thank you. And see you next time.